Okay, a few people have asked me about my tube bending setup, so I just wanted to do a little bit of an overview of this whole setup and show you what I've got going on. Basically, this is just a JD Model 32 tube bender that I bought off Facebook Marketplace for 800 bucks. It came with this 1 3/4 die and this nice heavy duty stand. When I bought it, the thing was mounted horizontal. And what I wanted to do was actually just mount it vertically and run an air over hydraulic ram. So I'll show you quickly how I did that and a couple reasons why I did it. This ram's from Princess Auto. It's an air over hydraulic 8-ton ram. A lot of people mount these on like engine hoists and that kind of thing. It's got a clevis on the bottom and just a hole in the cylinder on the top. So you can see where I've mounted it there. Just on that bottom hole of the bender. That's where the whole mechanical lever system would go if you had it solid mounted to the floor and you were doing it horizontally. So yeah, the stand when I got it was basically just this post and then these legs. So I just added on this material here and then this little bracket so that I could mount it. Another thing that I did is just weld a bolt to the jack release. It just makes it a lot quicker and nicer rather than trying to find this every time. So for a return spring, this is an 80-pound spring. It's an elastic spring. I got that at McMaster Car. I think it was 30 or 40 bucks. So yeah, this thing's been great. I actually love it. Works really well. Bent a lot of tube with it. It's not the fastest, but it's not labor intensive at all. All you do is you step on that and away it goes. So you can't beat that. Another great thing about it is it's not bolted to the floor anywhere, so it's not taking up all sorts of shop space when you're not using it. Roll it into a corner, forget about it. Another great thing is when you have it vertically mounted, your tube obviously is going to swing upward rather than horizontally. So when you're working alone and you've got a large piece, say like a bumper like this, and then you've got all that length of tube hanging out horizontally, it's going to be a lot of weight and it's going to try and shift like that, and then you're going to end up with weird bends that are all offset if you're not really careful and using proper support stands and all that kind of stuff. So that's another reason why I like running it vertically. Another thing that I did is upgrade everything to a high flow fitting like that. These are the ones that I was running before. Try and get a good comparison here. So yeah, that's what I'm running now. That's what I was running before. I picked up about 30 seconds to go from all the way bottomed out to fully extended. So to me, that was a good upgrade. A little bit of speed here and there. Never hurts. If you guys have any more questions about this thing, let me know. If you want to see it in action, you can check out some of my other videos. I've made a rear bumper for this truck, and next is going to be rock sliders and probably a different front bumper. So stay tuned for that.